Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi A6 bumper. First, let's prepare. Before starting, gather all your necessary tools, including a Torx screwdriver set and a plastic trim removal tool. Always ensure your Audi A6 is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. For your safety, and to prevent any electrical issues, remember to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This crucial first step sets the stage for a smooth and secure bumper removal process. Now let's tackle the fasteners. You'll find several Torx screws securing the bumper within each wheel well liner. Carefully remove these first. Next, move to the underside of the bumper where you'll need to detach various plastic clips and screws. Finally, open your hood and unfasten any visible screws or clips that connect the bumper to the upper grille area. Taking your time with each fastener ensures you don't miss any crucial attachment points. With the fasteners removed, it's time to disconnect the electrical components and hoses. Gently disconnect all electrical connectors for items such as your fog lights or parking sensors. If your Audi A6 has headlight washers, you will need to carefully detach the two hoses from their nozzles. Double-check that all wiring harnesses are completely free and clear from the bumper assembly before proceeding. This step prevents damage to sensitive electronics and fluid lines. You're almost there. Now, carefully pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from the outer edges and working your way inward. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you during this final step to prevent any accidental damage or dropping the bumper. Once detached, immediately place the removed bumper onto a soft, clean surface, like a moving blanket, to avoid any scratches or scuffs. Congratulations, you've successfully removed your Audi A6 bumper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.